Welcome, my fellow tax professionals. Today we'll be discussing the IRS's decision to reject an offer in compromise application. I'm your host, Attorney Robert Schaller, and the author of the course. The IRS's decision to reject an offer in compromise application is typically related to the amount of the offer. The amount of the offer in Form 656, offer in compromise, must equal or exceed the IRS's reasonable collection potential. When the offer amount in Form 656 is less than the reasonable collection potential, the IRS will reject the offer. So it's critical that the tax professional know how to calculate reasonable collection potential. Let us begin exploring the IRS's analysis behind rejecting the pending offer in compromise application. There are several bases for rejection. The IRS defines rejection as a non-acceptance recommendation of any offer in compromise application that includes appellate rights. The rejection of an application closes the offer in compromise application review process. Although interest and penalties were stopped while the offer in compromise application was being considered, interest and penalties are applied retroactively upon rejection. The most common basis for rejection is the RCP, or reasonable collection potential, exceeds the offer amount. For example, let's assume the RCP of the taxpayer's assets and future income is $25,324. And let's also assume the taxpayer's offer is only $4,600. In that scenario, the offer would be rejected because the reasonable collection potential of $25,324 exceeds the taxpayer's offer of only $4,600. The IRS will also reject an offer that is not in the best interest of the government. The rule is best explained through illustration. A tax protester's offer could be rejected, almost certainly would be rejected. A history of frivolous filing is a basis for rejection. An offer could be rejected when the taxpayer dissipated assets to family members or non-priority creditors. The IRS will also reject an offer based on public policy grounds. Fraudulent conduct by a taxpayer could result in the rejection of the application on public policy grounds. And of course, a taxpayer who's engaged in criminal tax activity should expect the IRS to reject the offer in compromise application. Thank you for listening to this video, and please spread the word to family and friends that Do-It-Yourself Offer in Compromise Academy is available to help taxpayers find solutions to crushing IRS-backed taxes. The music for this video was provided by www.bensound.com. You can contact the Academy at its contact page at www.diycompromiseacademy.com. Enjoy the online course and keep on learning.